Good afternoon, sis. Welcome to ABC Mart.
Good afternoon. I finished shopping. Here are the items.
Yes, sis. Please, if you're done, put the item on the cashier table. Wait, sis. I will scan it first. Okay, sis. The total is 89,000.
Is the cooking oil on sale, sis?
Oh, wait, sis. I'll scan double checking. Oh, yes, sis. The item is 10% discount. And so the total is 200,000.
Wow, that's quite achieving. Thank you for checking.
You're welcome, sis. Okay, sis, the total is 86,200.
Here the money.
That's right. This thing is 13,000.
How come it's only 30,000? Should it be 30,800?
Oh, yes, sis, sorry. I miscalculated. Hold on. I'll add another 800. This 800, sis. Sorry to mistake.
It's okay, sis. Okay, sis. Thank you very much for your service. I like shopping here because the cashier is friendly.
Yes, you're welcome, sis. Have a good day.
Sure, is you, son.
See you.